Can you solve this equation within the next 3 seconds? If so, please choose one of the answers and write down in the comment which answer did you got. To calculate this type of equation, usually what I advise to my students is to first analyze which type of operation they have. So we have here multiplication, division, and we have subtraction. We all know that multiplication and division in the order of operation, they have higher priority over the subtraction. Therefore, to make this equation look easier and let's say more logical, I advise my students to use brackets to combine the multiplication and division. So then they will tackle this operation first, and then after tackling this operation first, they can tackle the subtraction at the second stage. Another thing what I advise is to write the division always as multiplication. So in this case, you don't get confused which one to do it first. So what we get in the end is 10 minus 5 multiplied by 2 and multiply by 1/5, because you know that when you have division, you can write it as multiplication of the inverse number, minus 10. So now what we have 10, and in the brackets we have 5 multiplied by 2, we have 10 multiplied by 1/5, we get 2, minus 2 and minus 10. Here we have 10 minus 10, we cancel them, and the result is minus 2. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao.